Alright, there are three concepts that if you can keep in mind during every presentation that you give, life is going to be great. Number one, less is more. What? Yeah, less is more. In a presentation, you only have so many minutes to give someone the information that you're about to give them. You only have so many minutes with your audience. So, you have to focus on giving them the right amount of information that they're going to be able to process and enjoy at the same time. Basically, don't be a walking Wikipedia that can't filter information during your presentations. Next, 2. Tell a story. Yes, people like stories. Why do you think that as kids we liked to watch cartoons or animated movies? Because people like stories. That's why we watch movies, read books, listen to music that tell a cool story, watch video clips that are the music plus a story. So everything has a story. Everything can have a story behind it. So it's your job to find the best way to tell that story. Number 3, be intentional. And I mean it. Be intentional with your words, your pictures, the silence. You see? Your body language. If you're gonna walk somewhere, walk. If you're gonna say something, say it. If you're gonna show an image, show it. Don't kinda do it. But then you have to make sure that every time you do something, especially in a presentation that you had time to prepare, it has to have a purpose. You can't just put it there if it doesn't really add to the story. Everything I'm gonna say here has embedded on it my own style. But you're about to learn a lot of tools and a lot of techniques. And I want you to use them as they should, as tools. They're not a rule book. They're tools that you can use when you feel like you need them. But use them on your own style. And that's the gist of it. I've met people that have totally different presentation styles compared to mine. Guess what? Some of them are really good. So, when you present, you have to find your style. Do you talk more? Do you talk less? Do you use more words, less words? More complicated words, less complicated words? More pictures, less pictures? Jokes, no jokes? Serious, funny? See? Find your style.